already, man. It's your boy Hollywood Rican. We back with another video, man. And hey, I ain't gotta say too much. You can't see where we at, but you know, yeah, we had to see two tactical, man. You see my boy Jared in there. Look, hey, he got the 125 on the back. Hey, he ain't gonna play. But originally I just wanted to show y'all. You know what I'm saying? We don't go to the range like that, but I feel like it was a good video today to show y'all how we come to the range. You know what I'm saying? In a safety way, or the best of my knowledge. You know what I'm saying? I ain't saying this is the exact correct way to come to the range. Now don't get it twisted. You feel me? I'm just saying this is how we come to the range. And you know what I'm saying? When you're doing stuff like that, you just want to make sure yourself is safe as well as everybody else. So you know what I'm saying? I don't have a gun bag, but I have hard cases for a majority of all my guns. You know, my boy Jay, he got the Glock 19X. He got it in the hard case. You know what I'm saying? So I bring my backpack. Then I think I got 2 firearms in this hard case. I'm gonna put my gun in this hard case. And here's my glasses and my ear protection. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, when you bringing them, you just want to make sure that they're in a hard case. For this one right here, obviously it's not gonna go in here. Usually when you go to a like a shooting place, they have like some bags for you to come so you can bring your firearms in. But you know what I'm saying, we got some targets right here. You know what I'm saying? Try to hold that real quick. Yeah. Yes, look. Right here. I brought the extendo for you too. Just so you can shoot that motherfucker.
Alright.
Yeah, so we got the I brought that for Jared, you know what I'm saying? He wanted to shoot the stick, so you know what I'm saying, you want to make sure everything is clear. You know what I'm saying? Put it in the case there. These got hollows, you want to take those out. Since you won't be shooting those.
I gotta take mine out too. I put it in yesterday.
Put them down there. Seal that up. Like I said, if you got a gun flag, that's a thing that go in there, that's even better. But you know what I'm saying, make sure everything is clear there. Everything's empty. See, this has a gun flag. That's a gun flag, so you know there's nothing in there. Clear chamber. Everything's clear there. Nothing in the mags there. Close them up. And then, like I said, if you don't have a hard case, majority of the places that you go to will have like a rental box that you can put your guns in to bring them in. Do it like that. You know what I'm saying? So you get that. You feel me? Yeah, he got his hard case right there. Go ahead, open yours up. Let them know how you coming. How you coming, man? I said everything because you locked back, my boy. Hey, you feel me? My boy in there, you know what I'm saying? I was teaching him a little something yesterday, you feel me? Yeah, he right. But hey, his stuff's so hard.
I need to take these out.
Oh yeah, hollows. We went to Shooters World yesterday. That was kind of far. We were just in that area, so we went there. Today we're gonna be at C2 Tactical. And look, y'all see, look, bikes, hey, they always on us. Always on us. Well, me, not me, but him. You feel me? I'm damn near retired from the bikes. Damn, I got my shirt ready. Hey, I feel like K-Flock. You feel me? Hold on. You walk down in the mirrors today. You know what I'm saying? Now, when I put my Oakleys on now. When I put my Oakleys on now. You feel me? Yeah. Yes, look. So, I'm gonna go in here and hope everything be cool like they be cool. For your safety, no loaded, uncased, or unholstered firearms are allowed in the store. Thank you. You want to make sure you read that, man. You come in here, and they gonna treat your dumb ass. You come in here unprepared and ignorant, you know? So make sure you're doing everything right, okay? So, yes. So I can see, man, they got that big dirty Harry, boy. That's the dirty Harry, you know what I'm saying? Hey, yeah, C2 Tactical. They got a very nice facility, you know what I'm saying? You see the Oakleys right here. Look at the Oakleys. Oakleys. See, I got them bad boys up there. So y'all see what's going on, my boy. And then I think these are new. I'm using these. Look like I want to get some over the ear ones. You want those or you want these? So you gonna do them? I bet. So I'm gonna put these back on. Leave those in there. Low key. Look, y'all see I got the Oakleys. My ass is blind, bro. So I might have to, I gotta put the clear glasses on. Because I can't see that well. So, you know what I'm saying? Put your eye, I can't shoot through the tent. So put your eyes and ears on, man. Y'all make sure y'all staying safe. All right, we're gonna tap back in with y'all when we get in there, all right? All right. Hey man, y'all see what's going on, man. All FD colors, now you know. Double FD, and Coyote. Shooting at 26. You know what I'm saying? Be shooting at 26. I don't like that. Outside of my room, this is my EDC. So this is my second EDC.
So the trigger should just be straight on like the pattern. Oh, I see. You put it over. I saw it.
What happened?
I'm dipping all right here. Like when I'm shooting, I'm walking right. I'm like, we finna see if he on. All face shots. Alrighty, you guys. I know there's going to be a lot of questions in regarding to why I have a laser mounted at the top of the firearm where the optic is. I actually put that on there so I wouldn't lose it because my other firearm didn't have a mounting grill at the bottom. So I was like, I don't want to just put it anywhere, so I put it on there. And then when we happened to be at the range, I turned it on and it was working kind of well. But as you can see, it's shooting low. So that means the beam is a little bit high. So I just want to toss this in there really quick before you guys get to going crazy in the comments, all right? Thank you.
Oh yeah, he would have been dead.
It was a neck and chin shots. I was shooting low though. So my laser, it's a little low. Here, let me try that.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
No, you don't hold it like that. You hold it right here. Fuck that dude up. Damn, it's still low, huh?
All throat shot.
Damn.
Still would have been dead though.
Oh, he would have over with. Let's see what's to it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh yeah, white, man. My boy shooting bystanders.
How'd you get this on there?
Okay. Shoulder. Jared shot a bystander, bro.
On accident.
Look, he's aiming for their head. He hit somebody else. Golly. Golly.
He said that motherfucker bounced off his head.
You better hit the top of that head. I need all head shots.
Yeah. 50 rounds is about.
He out there. Black only. Damn, in the neck. In the neck, right?
Are you guys leaving already? There, you did hit them in every spot, so he's probably.
Cheekbone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right there.
Yeah.
Oh, his eye, he dead.
Ooh. Face. That boy. Yeah. Yeah, that's all you. That's all you. Yeah. That's my favorite.
Excuse me, guys. I feel like you're all out of time, so it can
Ooh. I let one go off the paper, but that beam on crazy, bro. That beam is on point, boy. You see?
Damn.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hey.
that motherfucker is on
Hey, tell him
point.
stop playing with me. I let one go off, but hey, I let his ass up. He's shaking. Look at the paper. His ass shaking like a screw. Better stop playing, boy.
Let's go. Headshots.
Alright guys, I also wanted to insert this voice over here. As you can see, I'm dipping. This is a common trait in beginner shooters, or for shooters that don't often go to the range or don't get a lot of range time in. It's where you're anticipating the recoil. So as we start going to the range more often, we'll try to correct this as well.
What happened?
I might have been playing. I'm gonna leave him down there.
I got some head.
Okay, some heads, some neck. No homo.
Ho, brother, ho, whoa, 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 now. You got too much dip on your chip.
Pause. Man, y'all see it, man. The Daniel Defense in the case. That mug is a beauty. Beautiful. But, hey, man, we finna see if I can get me a optic for my P17. I'm looking for a Romeo Zero. See what they texting for, man. If they ain't asking for too much, we're gonna grab one out of here. But if they is, you finna get that. So get what you want, man. You gonna grab that. Hey, but like I said, if they ain't texting too crazy, I'm finna grab that Romeo Zero out of here. If they got it, hopefully they do. But man, we had a good day at the range. You know what I'm saying? Practice good. range safety. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this is not to the T. I'm not saying this is how you're supposed to do it, but this is how we come to the range. And, you know what I'm saying? Rock out, man. They got some. Look at that Daniel defense up there. Like I said, I'm finna try to find me an optic also. Since we finna start. Hey, Jared, we need to get some of these, boy. What the fuck?
How much are they?
I fucking said 109. Lost me there. They ain't cheaper with them. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna give me some of that. No, see, I'm gonna get. See, I need a gun bag right now. Hey, look, Jared, they got the little Glock bags there. Need to give me. He give me a gun bag right now. I got a polo backpack on with all my hard cases in them. 25, that ain't bad. I want y'all to see this Beamer. Ooh, we came around the corner like, oh. What we finna get on?
A lot?
You finna go to the lot right now?
Yeah, right now.
Alright, yeah, we going to the lot then.
I'm gonna stop by the starter real quick.
What's though?
Like Circle K up the street.
Oh,
right
we there. Alright. But hey, as y'all can see, man, we just left the shooting range, you know what I'm saying? We had a good day at the range. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. But I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. More YouTube videos to come. Hold on. Y'all thought I was playing, boy. Put my motherfucking Oakleys on. Hold on. Ooh, now I'm a whole new person. You know what I'm saying? Back with the Oakleys, you know what I'm saying? We finna go to the store, and then we gonna meet up at the strip. You know what I'm saying? I ain't riding today, I'm chilling. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna vibe out. But like I said, I appreciate y'all for rocking with us. Stay tuned, more content coming. Gun reviews. Majority of what the channel is gonna be consisted of us going to the range. Like I said,
down, fucking.
Yeah, different firearms, you know, attachments. Walking down my mirrors. I better stop playing with me. We gone.